Egypt Beauty, this is for the third edition of Egypt Beauty this year in Egypt. We discovered that Egypt Beauty this year, it was very special, very professional, and it was increasing by visitor in terms of trader, in terms of hairdressers, in terms of people who are looking for trend, fashion, and technology. For that reason, Egypt Beauty is the destination of beauty in North Africa and Africa and Middle East. It's fantastic. It's good quality of visitor. It's amazing. Everybody was surprised. I met a lot of people who participate, and they was surprised. And really, somebody tell me it was better than so many other beauty exhibition in the region. They made it since many years. They feel it's more important because of the quality of people who are looking for brand, trend, and fashion. Of course, we are expanding, and we are feeling that this is very important for marketing to increase our business, to support the marketing, and Egypt Beauty is supporting that and promote the exhibition and promote the business of beauty industry in the region. Thank you. See you in Egypt Beauty 2020.